Alright, welcome back to the channel. We're going to do a little bit more on the 125. We got the parts back from Cerakoting the other week. So we've got the top triple clamp, the bottom one, actually got the carby done as well. Put in some better light so you can see it. So that came up awesome. So we'll start putting it all back together and putting some bearings in and whatnot. So with the top and bottom headstem bearings, I actually don't have a tool to knock them in. So what I do is I use the old one and I machine them down so I can use that to hit them in, and I'll show you how to do it. So it turns out that I can't put that in to the reverse jaws because it's not big enough, so I'm going to have to open this up and then put it into another chuck so I can machine the outside of it. So we've got the other truck on now, so this fits over there. Then we can machine the outside of it. So it's all machined up now. Fits in there perfect. So we can knock the new races in now. So they're all in now, so I'll pack these full of grease and chuck them in. Pretty good to me. Put a bit in there for extra luck, I guess. So I had to push the tube into the bottom triple clamp, but I had to also make up a tool to knock in the bottom bearing. Well, they're all back on. Just got the suspension sitting there for now because they've actually got to go off to track right to go get all reservice and stuff and go get new coating put all on that. But I just wanted to put it all together and see what it looked like. So between the last clip and this clip, it's been a few weeks. I've been doing other things, but the suspension's all off.
so that's going down to track right to get done. I've got to wait for him to pull it all apart so I can Cerakote a few things. So yeah, there's that. What else? Airbox is all back on. Rebuilt the carby, so that's all back together now. All I've got to do is wait for the V-Force reed block so I can chuck all that back on. Hopefully next week's video will be me Cerakoting the fork lugs, stuff like that. So yeah, we've got a new look coming for the TE, so make sure you stay tuned for that. So yeah, if you've got any questions or anything, put them down below, and see you in a bit.